From the large exterior structural demolition to the selective interior removals for multi-phase renovations, our team have the expertise required to design, plan, and execute on stadium demolitions safely and efficiently. With more than 30 years of experience, numerous global and national award-winning projects, we have the experience to set realistic budgets and timelines that fit with your off-season schedule. Phase 1 work at the Simmons Bank Liberty Stadium in Memphis, Tennessee was completed in time for the 2024 Tigers football season. PDI came in with the high-reach excavators for the structural demolition after the interior work was completed. Part of the stadium, including the media tower, was demolished with our expert team of operators and laborers. PDI performed the demolition for the 3 off-season phases of the massive $400 million renovation of the Rogers Centre in Toronto between 2022 and 2025. The renovations included replacing the entire lower bowl, removal of all 500-level seating, new social areas, modernizing player facilities, and adjusting the outfield dimensions to create a more traditional ballpark feel. Our team consistently completed the work ahead of schedule, allowing the GC additional time to complete renovations. Demolition has been a key part of the ongoing renovations at Toronto's Scotiabank Arena, specifically for the second phase of the $350 million reimagination project, which focuses on the 100-level concourse and introduces new premium spaces and amenities. Work began in May 2024, involving interior demolition and construction of new spaces, with additional work completed in 2025.